Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to put your skills to the test with the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. Joining us today is Microsoft trainer Deborah Ashby. Check out her challenge coming up right now.
Hi everyone, are you ready for this month's Excel challenge? Let's take a look at the scenario. Now on this first sheet just here, you can see that I've created this little form. And this form is used to type in a catalogue number, and it will return the related part number, the price of that part, and if that part is in stock or out of stock. Now, this little table just here is using the information on the Part Catalogue tab. And you can see over here I have a list of catalogue numbers, part numbers, prices, and if they are in or out of stock. Now, I've already completed this part of the way for you. For example, I've put the data into a table and I've given the table a name of Part Catalogue. You can see that up here in the Properties group. And I've also, if we jump back to the first worksheet, added in the relevant formulas, and these are using VLOOKUP formulas, to return this information based on whatever catalogue number has been entered into cell D5. So you don't need to do any of that. This exercise isn't about practicing VLOOKUP. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter in a different catalogue number. So let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hit enter. And notice that I'm getting NA errors in those cells below. Now I'm going to take an educated guess that this catalogue number doesn't exist in the table, so Excel can't find what it needs to return. So the first part of this exercise is I'd like you to edit the VLOOKUP formulas in cells D9, D11 and D13 so that if an incorrect catalogue number is entered into cell D5, the message part not found appears. So that is the first part of this exercise. Now, in the second part of this exercise, I'd like you to lock down cell D5 so that only catalogue numbers of exactly 5 characters can be entered. And in addition to that, I'd like you to make this more informative to the person typing in the catalogue number. So when they hover over the cell or click on the cell, I'd like you to make sure that they get a message pop up on the screen that says, please enter the 5-digit catalogue number. And I'd also like you to make sure that you add an error message that will appear if a catalogue number is entered that is longer than 5 characters. And I'd like that message to say, maximum catalogue number length is 5 characters. Please re-enter. So have a little think about how you might do that. And then the final part of this exercise is I want you to protect the entire worksheet so that only cell D5 is editable. So we don't want anyone to be able to enter in any information in any other cell other than D5. So a few different things for you to think through and practice just there. I have my own solution, which I happen to like very much. Do you think you can guess what it is? Download the exercise file and let me know if you have the answer before we release the solution video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to get notified.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!